Welcome. This is the RDT V-Guide accessory, basic information, and install video. The vertical mode of the combination bandsaw facilitates perpendicular cuts. The V-Guide provides a means to accurately bisect or cleave round stock and to make a 45-degree cut through square or rectangular stock. Once you start using your V-Guide, you will come to see how valuable this functionality is for a fabricator. The V-Guide adjusts from side to side and is secured with two nuts of the Universal Accessories mounting system. We use washers under these nuts to reduce the tendency of the nut rotation to skate the V-Guide when tightening. Perfect alignment of the V-Guide center, when desired, is easy by sighting down the V-channel. From the rear of the saw, let's take a look at what our cutting range is with some different stock types and sizes. Typically we will want to bisect the stock, but sometimes we will want to offset from the center. The optional leveler is used to raise the table in the exit path of the V-Guide. This allows you to provide support at the bottom of stock level. This is helpful cutting short pieces or when cutting the entire piece from one end. I personally use it only about 10% of the time because there is a setup overhead in installing it. With the RDT and the V-Guide, you will be working close to the blade. Unless you want to wear Kevlar gloves, please pay close attention to rule number 2. Rule 1. Wear eye protection. Rule 2. Keep your body parts away from the blade and any tool or stock that can push or pull you into the blade. Rule 3. Never allow distractions. If you sense a distraction, step away from your saw and turn it off. The leveler dismounts from the RDT by removing 2 screws. The leveler must be removed before the RDT can be removed from your saw. To avoid getting a slight spiral cut on your round stock, here is one easy way to prevent it. Now, just follow the line, which is very easy to do.